Give meanings. Veterinary medicine connected with the care and health of animals. Surgery, medical treatment that involves cutting open the body part of the body to remove or correct something. Veterinarian, a person whose job is to treat sick and injured animals. An eagle's eye, a very sharp, watchful eye, noticing all details. Compassion, strong feeling of sympathy for those who are suffering. A lion's heart, balancing sympathy and science equally. A mother's touch, a concerned and loving attitude. Therapy, treatment of an illness. Treatise, a long and serious piece of writing on a particular subject. Attributed to, considered to have been written by. Subsequently, afterwards, later on. Therapeutics, treatment. Disciple, follower. Dressing of wounds, to clean, treat and cover wounds. Erected, set up, built. Adjoining, neighboring. Stimulant, a substance that gives one more energy. Ancestors, persons who lived long ago. Conversion, change. Empathize, to understand another person's feelings and experiences. Answer the following questions. Who was Sushruta? Sushruta was a bright student of veterinary medicine. Who was Shaliotra? Shaliotra was Sushruta's teacher. What question did Shaliotra ask Sushruta? The question Shaliotra asked to test Sushruta was, what all would be needed to perform a surgery on a wonderful horse? How long a period did Shaliotra allow to find the missing things? Shaliotra allowed 1 week to find the missing things. How did Sushruta find the missing things? Select the appropriate answer. By reading several books, by consulting his friends, by observing his teacher carefully and thinking about what he did, by meditating. By observing his teacher carefully and thinking about what he did. Who erected the first known veterinary hospitals of the world? The great Emperor Ashoka erected the first known veterinary hospital of the world. What were the 3 things that Sushruta discovered? The 3 things that Sushruta discovered was that a good veterinarian should have an eagle's eye, a lion's heart and a mother's touch. Explain the meaning of the following phrases. An eagle's eye, a very sharp watchful eye noticing all details. A lion's heart, balancing sympathy and science equally. A mother's touch, a concerned and loving attitude. Narrate the story of Sushruta in your own words. Sushruta was an Indian Ayurvedic physician who was known as the father of Indian medicine or father of surgery. He is also a veterinary doctor and famous in veterinary science of India. Sushruta had a great knowledge about the treatment of animals. Through Shaliotra gained all the knowledge of surgery from Sushruta. Sushruta was also a good teacher who teaches about surgery to many others. 3 things found by Sushruta before operating the horse. These were: a good veterinarian should have an eagle's eye. A good veterinarian should have a lion's heart. A good veterinarian should have a mother's touch too. Sushruta transformed the view of veterinary sciences. Write short notes on the following. Veterinary science in ancient India. A tradition of veterinary therapy developed very early in India, and this has survived to the present time. Based on the Ayurveda, Indian veterinary medicine is known for its specialized literature, which provides information on ancient methods of preventing and treating diseases of animals. The oldest existing veterinary text from India is a treatise entitled Asvayurveda Siddhanta, attributed to Shalyotra, the founder of veterinary medicine. Care of animals in the regime of Emperor Ashoka. The great Emperor Ashoka erected the first known veterinary hospitals of the world. He arranged cultivation of herbal medicines for men and animals in his empire and adjoining kingdoms. Giving the animals general tonics and stimulants was practiced in order to ensure good mental and physical health. Prevention of the occurrence of diseases was also given importance. Cleanliness of animals, maintenance of stalls and stables, quality of food, disadvantages of overfeeding were also looked after during the regime of Emperor Ashoka. Utilization of animal byproducts in the ancient world. Utilization of animal byproducts was also done wisely by our ancestors. Conversion of milk into butter, ghee, curd, koa, etc. was a common practice and still is. Chicken was utilized for its meat, while sheep was utilized for its wool. Form pairs. Complete the following table through discussions. Occupation student. Necessary qualities obedience, hard work. Reason to learn discipline to do well in life. Occupation teacher. Necessary qualities understanding, kindness. Reason to understand students, to deal with them well, to teach them well. Occupation housewife. Necessary qualities loving, caring, organized, cheerful. Reason should be proud for the well-being and warmth of the family. Occupation sportsman. Necessary qualities sporting, team spirit, confident, accept defeat with a smile. Reason should not be proud, accept defeat in the right spirit. Occupation artist. Necessary qualities should have an aesthetic mind. Reason should be able to express his feelings through art. Occupation singer. Necessary qualities have a good voice modulation. Reason should be able to enthrall the audience. Occupation author. Necessary qualities good writer, convey messages through writings. Reason young and old should be able to learn and love reading. Occupation umpire. Necessary qualities should be knowledgeable, observant and impartial. Reason should take the right decision to be fearless. Occupation actor. Necessary qualities should know the art of acting naturally. Reason should be a good entertainer. Occupation scientist. Necessary qualities discover science which is useful to mankind. Reason should be an asset to the society. Note these pairs of words. Care, carefully. Equal, equally. Here we see that the letters held by are added at the end of the word to make another word. A letter or group of letters added at the end of a word to make another word is called a suffix. Use the suffix "ly" to make other words from the following: subsequent, subsequently; frequent, frequently; wise, wisely; immense, immensely; beautiful, beautifully. Find two examples each of the words made by using the following suffixes: ness, awareness, cleanliness; er, recover, career; full, wonderful, sorrowful, painful; tion, sion; information, cultivation, profession; why, quickly, carefully, equally, veterinary; let, booklet, armlet, leaflet, owlet. Frame questions beginning with the following words based on the above passage: who, what, where, when, how, why. One question each. Who was Sushruta? What did Shalyotra tell Sushruta? Where did Ashoka arrange cultivation of herbal medicines? When did Sushruta write a book on surgery? How did Sushruta find the missing things? Why did veterinarians start accompanying armies? List all the words related to surgery. Words related to surgery are instruments, medicines, operating, recover.